welcome to our class, 15 minutes, Miss P, Miss Val, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I teach belly dance for fun, for exercise, for confidence, for those of us in perimenopause or menopause. I love it, we're horrible. Listen, today the class is titled Smooth Operator, but I want to know, are you a smooth operator or a smooth criminal? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun. Ow! Stick with the belly dance, Portia. All right, let's get started. We're going to warm up. I'm going to teach you a combination. Val is here to help. She is my right-hand gal, my confidant, my significant other, my work wife or work husband. What do you always say? Sister from another mister. I love it. All right, quick warm up. Ready? Open up those feet. Take a deep breath. Inhale, grow tall. Come down. Again, inhale. We're going to move and groove. We only got 15 minutes from start to finish. Now, spine roll, cat-cow looks like this. Articulate the spine. Roll it down. Roll it up. Cross your arms. Extend. Open. Down. 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 Good. Curl it up. Curl it up. Let's do one more time. Good. We're only as healthy as our spine. Always taking care of that spine. Roll it up. Beautiful. Stay here and hold, tuck, lift, upper body side to side. Here's 4, 3, 2, lower the arms, crunch it side, get into those obliques. Now add a lunge, arms. Good. So again, you can watch the video over and over because I am going to move pretty quick. Last time, come center, crisscross, inhale up, exhale, roll down, last time, curl it up, beautiful, grow tall, and rest. Let's dive in, bring those feet parallel, knees are soft, pliable, tailbone tucked, chest up, arms roll back, push it side, side, shift it right, left. Let's go into hip slides, diving right in, and I want you to really float the rib cage up. I've been saying lately, imagine your lungs are filled with helium, okay? Helium, very light, it floats like a helium balloon. So the whole time your rib cage is trying to get away. It's making space for your pelvis to move. Making sure those knees are bent, no locking. My knees are bent. Please don't lock, it's not good for the joint, not good for your hip, your lower back. And your belly dancing looks really rigid, okay? Good. Arms and we go 4, 3, let's add some arms. Give me. Open, close. Good. Now feel that stretch in your spine. Open up the shoulder girdle. Grow tall. Work on your posture. 4, 3, 2. Hold it here. Last 4, 3, 2. Let's switch it. We open and close. We open and close. Here's 4, 3, 2, and hold, open, 4, 3. Gonna change it, forward, back, follow me. Forward for 2, back for 2. Weight in the toes, weight in the heels. Abs tight, round it like you're pregnant. Abs in, suck it in. Round it like Santa. Boom, remember when you were pregnant, you were like, oh, I gotta get off the couch. That's what I need, suck the belly in, push. Beautiful. Back. Weight in the heels. Weight in the toes. Weight in the heels. Suck the belly in. Here's 4, 3. Now forward and back, please. Give me. Forward, back. Use your arms for balance. Now you decide how full and how big you go. Boom. You can go full range of motion or you can go smaller. I know my arms are killing me too, Val. Last time, lower the arms down. Last 4, it's because we just did 2 hours of dance right before this tutorial. So we're all sweaty and exhausted. We're ready for lunch. Or medical marijuana for some people, but I won't mention any names. It is legal in Florida. Here's 4, 3, 2, rest. Take a deep breath. Did I just say that on camera, Val? Nobody heard that, right? You guys didn't hear that. What are you talking about? She's licensed. All right, enough with all the crazy. Let's continue. Let's put those two movements together. Feet parallel, knees are pliable. Tuck the tailbone, lift the chest, roll arms, check me out. Push side and hold, push front and hold, push side and hold, shift the weight back, belly in. So we go slide, front, slide, back, last time, slide, push. Can you connect the dots? Make a circle. Forward and back. Forward, arms up, up, forward. Good. So imagine your pelvis drawing a circle around your feet. Knees are soft. Chest is lifted. Helium balloons floating up. Open arms. Good. 4, 3, 2, and hold. Good. Let's break it down the other way. Yes, yes. Waiting for our music. Fan yourself. Fix your hair. Ready? Let's go. Side, front, side, back, side, front. Connect the dots, please. We go forward and back. Hop, hop, forward. Arms up, hop, push, pull. Now feel the weight change in your feet. Weight in the toes, weight in the heels. Whoa, baby, whoa. Open 4, palms down 3. Good. 2. Last time, 1 and hold. Now press and pose. Push front and pose. Notice we're going to bring our body on a slight diagonal. Last time, push and hold. A little faster. Push, hold. Push, hold. Now push, cross. Push, cross. Push. I think I messed it up, Val. And hold. Boom. Feet parallel. Let your teacher go back to what we were doing. Who's smoking marijuana in this room? Not me. But it seems like it. That's the perimenopause. I'm just saying I forget things. Hold on. Ready? Check me out. Start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Weight change. Tap. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. Last time. Breakdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I look like we're drunk. And hold. Now let's smooth it out. We're having fun. We hope you're having fun with us. 5, 6. Smooth it out. Front, back, front weight change and hold. Push, pull, push, and prepare. Push, pull, push, prepare. Push, pull, push, hold it here. Relax the arms, finally. Shoulder 1, 2. Roll your shoulders back. Chest up, super sass with class. Arms. Give me a little poise in the arm, little lengthening in the hands, long fingers. Raise them up a little. 1, 2. Shoulders. Now you can sneak in some snake arms if you want, but I'm going to stick with shoulders. 4, 3, 2. Circle, other side. We go front, back, front, and hold. Shoulder 5, 6, 7. Other way. Circle, push, pull, push, and hold. Shoulder 5, 6, 7. One more time. I'm going to add on some arms with that circle. Hold it here. Roll, roll, roll. Check me out. I want open, cross, open, and pose. Shoulder, shoulder. Try it with us, please. We go push, cross, open, and pose. Shoulder, shoulder. I'm going to add on a little bit more. Check me out. We push, cross, open, and hold. Shoulder, shoulder, plie, and up. What? Push, cross, push, and 2. Shoulders 1, 2, plie. Ooh, and again. Forward, back, forward, and pose. Shoulder, shoulder, shake a shake. Yes, that's it. Can you do it? Yes, yes, and hold. Shoulder, shoulder, shake and bake, shake and bake. Hop, push, cross, push and hold. Shoulder, shoulder, shake a shake, shake a shake. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, cross, push and hold. Shoulder, shoulder, shake a shake, shake a shake. How'd it go? Good job. Let's do it a little more. Maybe we'll add a little pizzazz and then we'll stretch. We're just about done. That was our combo for today. Go do it in line at Publix or Whole Foods. Maybe you'll get a discount coupon code for dancing. Just kidding. You're like, what is she talking about? I don't know. Ready? Little cuties. Combination. Feet parallel, soft. Tuck it, lift it, roll it. Here's 5, 6, prepare, and push, cross, push and hold, sass, class, shake a shake, shake a shake. Hop, push, cross, push and hold, shoulder, shoulder, shake a shake with a plie. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breath. Breathe with it. Good. We push. We pull. We push. Prepare. We roll. We roll. We shake a shake. Shake a shake. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Roll. Roll. Shake a shake and rest. Nice. Good job. Play the air guitar. All right, quick stretch. Open up. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Grow tall. Feel that rib cage lift up and away. Now grab the wrist. Grow tall. Up and over. Stretch. Other side. Grab that wrist. Stretch. Beautiful. Come center. Spine roll down all the way. Chin to the chest. Roll it up. Cross the arms. Inhale. One more time. Cat cow. Roll down. And roll it up. Looking good, cuties. Beautiful. Give me a pose. And now, are you a smooth operator or a smooth criminal? Ow! Let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. I do check them. And if you want more, you can join the YouTube membership. It's $9.99 a month. All access, no ads, and 1 live stream a month. And if you're like, I really want a lot more, go over to the Belly Motions website and app. That's join.bellymotions.com. And I've got hundreds of classes, tutorials, and choreographies there. Thanks for keeping your teacher off the pole, off the streets. I appreciate your support. And I love you. So take care. And there's my bestie. Look at Val. Val, do a move. Do something real. Do something cool. Oh God. I can't even do it, Val. Look at that. Until next time, stay flexible and keep your feet closed.